July was eye-opening, to be honest. But were all the things that I did were worth it? Did I actually give my all? In terms of work, June was the best month, and as July started, I had to come back to Mumbai to begin with my third year of college. And there were some shocking events in the first half of July. Family was supposed to be together, but it's fine. Recovered well actually, and started the main work after July. Work-wise, became pretty consistent. I'm very happy if I look back that I was able to deliver good number of videos, and also happy with the quality of videos that I could produce. In general, if I try to summarize, there was more of execution and very less amount of learnings that I could take. पूरा execution चल रहा था, सीखने के लिए मैं कुछ कर नहीं रहा था, मैं बस videos edit कर रहा था पूरे दिन. Realize that balancing learning and execution is important. दोनों को साथ में लेकर चलना पड़ेगा. And जब mid July क्रॉस हुआ and then फिर end में आते हुए तो सारा motivation खत्म हो गया था. जो भी मुंबई आके फिर से स्टार्ट करने का था, काम वगैरह पे ध्यान देना, खुद पे ध्यान देना. बट आई रियलाइज दैट कि वो बस एक पार्ट ऑन द बैक था, और उसके बाद से सिर्फ कंसिस्टेंटली शो अप करना एंड डूइंग द वर्क वाज द ओनली थिंग दैट आई कुड डू. Also took some serious decision with content creation. I was talking to my friend. He legit opened my eyes, which was like pretty silly of me because I had to realize that, like, watching creators and realizing that putting aside ego is so important because कोई कहीं ना कहीं से start करता ही है, जैसे कि मैं यहाँ पे start कर रहा हूँ. If I start putting restrictions on myself, मैंने ये चीज़ realize करी कि hinder कर देता है restrictions लगाना खुद पे, कि यार you cannot imagine or see what you can or maybe do. तो वो वाली चीज़ मेरे साथ हो गई थी, and I realized कि नहीं भाई, अलग अलग चीज़ें try करनी पड़ेगी and I have to see क्या work कर सकता है. Even this is a try, I don't know whether this is gonna work or not. Still I'm pretty much sure that I am only 50-60% resonating with whatever I'm doing right now. YouTube video कभी plan में था भी नहीं, but yeah, let's see. Overall, trying to balance college, which I have to go. I rarely, मतलब मैं हफ्ते में सिर्फ 3 या 4 ही बार जा पाता हूँ, and वो भी बहुत कम. I have to balance work that I do in the agency, which is editing videos, and attending college, this content creation, and going to the gym. I mean, that is the bare minimum I can do. It's nothing like कुछ ज़्यादा ही फोड़ने का काम नहीं चल रहा, पर हाँ, like this is the bare minimum I expect from myself. But like if younger Webber is watching this, he'll be like, भाई ये सब बहुत सारा कुछ हो रहा है भाई, इतना सारा, which is like हो तो रहा है, but not the best. बेटर हो सकता है और काफ़ी इंटेंशनल काम हो सकता है. रूम फॉर इम्प्रूवमेंट तो हमेशा रहती ही है. सो कमिंग टू द आंसर ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस दैट आई आस्क्ड इन द बिगिनिंग, आई गेव माई बेस्ट इन जुलाई. आई नो दैट. रियलाइजेशंस तो बस यही है कि लर्निंग पे ध्यान देना पड़ेगा. आई हैव टू बैलेंस both execution and learning. Solution that I have for myself, that I have to implement, which I time blocking. I'll link the video below of OMG Adrian. He really gave, which I think is the best solution. If you want to structure your days better, that's according to me the best thing you can do, which is time blocking. तो मुझे वो करना शुरू करना पड़ेगा. I had started it, but I was not consistent with it, and then I left it. But yeah, that's the solution.